Hi. Say hi. Go to Dada. Dali, fashion show dun kay Dada. Go. Get Flea Boy, Django. Get Django. Get Django. Get him. Ouch. Ouch. Hey, Smart Noodle. What you doing? What you doing, little turtle? Hey, cutie. Cutie patootie. Ade. Yay! Yay! Oh. Wow. Uh-huh. That's right. Have a nice clothes. Papa gave you a nice clothes, huh? So cute. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you eat? Huh? Milk? Did you eat milk? Where's Dada? Hey, where's Dada? Where's Dada? Liho ka ni mo, oy. Where's Dada? Doodle Pop. Ginulo mo na yung labahan ko. I know. No. Can't do that. I am sorry. Can't do that. No, we can't. Why don't you pet Django? Just pet, okay? No grabbing. Okay.